In this video we gonna see suzhiyum in two ways. Take 2 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of your dal. Soak it for 2 hours. Grind it into thick batter. Consistency should be like this. In a bowl, take a cup of cooked tur dal. Chana dal or green gram can be used as substitute for tur dal. Add half a cup of grated coconut. Cup of powdered sugar. Tablespoon of cardamom seeds. And pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients together and keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. Make it into small balls. Now our sweet stuffing is ready. For spicy stuffing, take a pan and pour 3 spoons of groundnut oil. Add half spoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Half spoon of jeera. Add some curry leaves. One large onion of finely chopped. Spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and spoon of chili powder. Three large mashed potatoes. Spoon of salt. Let it cool. Then make into small balls. Nicely coat the stuffing using thick rice batter. Deep fry the batter coated ball in hot oil. Now our sweet and spicy suzhiyum is ready to eat. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.